At a time when elemental changes are happening at breathtaking speed, forward-looking businesses need a reliable partner with fresh ideas. Climate change poses a historic challenge. What's called for today are sustainable concepts that will reduce carbon emissions and foster circular economy systems. At the same time, the average age of industrial plants is rising year after year. Maintenance and the ability to extend the asset's life cycles are becoming more and more vital. Digitalization is profoundly transforming industrial processes. Intelligent, trend-setting solutions and capable partners are urgently needed. But well-trained and skilled people are getting harder to come by. That means outsourcing services beyond the scope of the asset owner's core competencies will become more common. These trends will shape the future of industries across the world, and they are driving Bilfinger's approach to business. Building on decades of experience, Bilfinger constructs, maintains, and modernizes industrial assets across many different regions, all with different requirements. Whether it's extending life cycles, boosting efficiency, or enhancing sustainability, Bilfinger has always been linked to the process industry through long-term contracts and cooperation with its clients in a spirit of trust. Based on this comprehensive expertise, Bilfinger turns data into value by making plants smarter and more transparent. Innovative solutions leverage the full potential of artificial intelligence, augmented reality, or cloud-based system networking, and pave the way to success for asset owners. Bilfinger's people are its most valuable resource. They're not only well-trained, but also committed and highly motivated. Bilfinger's people work to exacting standards using concepts such as BMC or BTC, which guarantee the highest level of quality and safety. These three factors bring the success of Bilfinger's two business lines to life for asset owners. The portfolio of services covers every link in the value chain under one single brand, Bilfinger. That's what makes Bilfinger the perfect partner in helping its clients meet the challenges of the digital age even better. We make it work.